kids have been. They've been gone all day. I don't know what's going on, but I think I just heard them pull up. So let's go see what's going on with them real fast. Yep, they're here. What's up, guys? Where have you been?
Oh, the mall looking for Callie. Have you seen her? Have you seen her?
No, I haven't really seen her. But why'd you guys take this car?
Because my car doesn't blow too good.
The air conditioner, it works a lot better.
And what's up with yours?
My car doesn't blow too good.
Okay. So, did you find Callie there?
No.
No? Alright, everything go good with this car?
This car stinks also.
Stinks when?
When you turn on the AC or the heater.
Oh man, so this car, when you turn on the air conditioner, it stinks. Does it turn, when you turn the heater on, does it stink?
Yes.
Alright, that's not good. But on your truck, when you turn the heater or air conditioner on, it just doesn't blow too good?
Yeah, it doesn't blow very well.
It doesn't blow very well. Alright, so yours doesn't blow very well when you turn it on, and yours stinks. I bet we all know what the problem is. I bet it's the cabin air filter.
Dude, you kept messing with the keys.
It's alright. Alright, make sure you check out my other videos. We have a wide variety on cabin air filter remove and replacements. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.